Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use Proficonf to create and hold a video conference. To begin with, you have to register on the Proficonf website, set up an event room, and invite speakers. To create an account on Proficonf, click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner, enter your name and surname, email, and create a password, at least 6 characters. You can also log in using social networks. After registration, you will be redirected to the event page, where you can create your first video conference room. To create an instant event, click the Start button. Then, invite speakers by sending them a link by email invitation, or by sending them a link with any other convenient means. To schedule a room for your video conference, click the Schedule button. You will be redirected to a page with the form of creating the event. Enter video conference name. Select and set the date and time of the event. Choose the role for participants, speaker. The speaker can chat, enable, or disable camera and microphone, use the share center. Select the type of access, private or public. Enable automatic recording, so you don't have to think about enabling recording at the beginning of the video conference. Add a link for redirection after the end of the video conference. Notice that automatic recording and redirecting address are available in the premium plan. Click the button Create. The newly created video conference room will be displayed in the upcoming section on the events page. If you want to edit or delete a room, press the button in a form of 3 dots to the right of the name and select the appropriate item. Also here you can copy the link to the upcoming event and send it to participants in any convenient way. To join the room, participants simply have to enter their names after clicking on the link. Let's go to the video conference room and get acquainted with its interface. On the left, you will see a list of participants, where the host can manage participants block, remove, change roles, and restrict writing to the chat. You can also assign a moderator to help you hold the video conference. For example, if one of the participants behaves inappropriately, host and moderator can remove him. Chat, in which the host and moderator can delete all messages, clear chat, or turn off the chat for all participants. The Share section, where you can share your screen, program window, or browser tab. Draw something on a whiteboard and show it to participants. Demonstrate videos from YouTube. Just write the title of the video, or insert a link and click Share. The video will be shown in sync with all participants. In the File section, you can download, demonstrate, or share any materials for downloading. You can upload files before and during the video conference. At the top in the middle of the virtual room, there are buttons to switch on the microphone and camera, as well as a button to exit the event room. The button to the left of them is the button for changing the privacy mode. This is an important recommendation for video conferences to avoid unwanted guests entering the meeting. If a host chose an open event option while planning the video conference, he'll need to make the room private after connection of all participants. To do this, press the button in the form of a lock. If the lock is closed, the room is private, and the participant needs to send a request to enter. If you want to make the room open, press the button in the form of a lock once more. To invite guests, click the Invite Participants button. In the menu that opens, copy the link and send it to participants by any convenient means. Or click Invite in the section Invite by email. Enter your email addresses and add them to the list. Select speaker role for the participants. Click the Invite button. On the right, there is a button to enable video recording, where you can enable or disable chat recording, enable or disable user icons on the main screen, enable recording only the host's video. To start recording, click Start Recording. The right of the record is the button to activate live streams on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and Restream. You can broadcast your video conference to any of these social networks and connect unlimited number of viewers if necessary. Next, the Display Modes section. We recommend selecting the tile grid mode for your video conference. Tile grid up to 20 thumbnails from the participants' videos are displayed on the screen, the list is dynamically changed, and the most active participants are displayed. The active participants are those who are speaking at the moment. And at the very end, the button settings of the conference room. In the setup menu, you can select a camera and a microphone, set the quality of the transmitted signal, set access to the share section, and change the language. Currently, Proficonf provides interfaces in English, Russian, Portuguese, Brazilian, Spanish, and Italian. You can also get help from the support team in the virtual room. To exit the room, press the Leave button. The list of participants who took part in your video conference can be downloaded after the event has appeared in the completed section. To the right of the event name, click the button in the form of 3 points. In the menu, select Download Participants. The list is downloaded in CSV table format, which contains the name, surname, and email. Please note, in order for the list of participants to be displayed by email, participants must be invited by email. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.